Hello, what is good? In this video, I'm going to be talking about the Fruit of Loom's men's sweatpants. You can never go wrong with a pair of sweatpants, especially if you're active. You always gotta have a pair of sweatpants. Not saying you got to, but I mean, I don't know. You just can't go wrong with sweatpants. Wear sweatpants when you're working out, sweatpants when you're on the run, sweatpants when you're going to with your friends, the airport, just anything. Fruit of Loom's men. The size is a medium, and I'll definitely show like the tag and everything else too. Sometimes with sweats, I like it to be just a little loose. I mean, it fits me perfectly. Like I don't have to like tie the string because it comes with a string. I don't have to use the string and like pull it in and double tie it on that. No, not really. Got some weight anyway. And the end of the sweatpants, it comes with cuffs. They have sweatpants out there that's like flare if you don't like the cuff feel. I just like the cuff feel just because I've been used to, I don't know, cuffs for a very long time. So what I normally do is, since it's like, dark, I wash it like inside out, and then I wash it in darks. But I believe that's what it says on there. And I just normally know that with dark clothes, sometimes you wash it in cold so it doesn't fade. And these pants been with me for a very long time. I actually had in like different colors, but I don't know what happened to them. Just rocking black pair right now, which I need to get another one. Anyway, so just the cuffs at the bottom. It's like a little, like a little jogger effect, but anyway, cuffs. And then the string, which I really don't use, but string doesn't normally look like that. But when you need to tie them up tighter, you just pull the string and then tie, and comes with pockets. And then this is the tag for the Loom right here. Yeah, so see, machine wash cold, but you see right here it says machine wash cold, dark colors. And then with whether you can iron it or not, and so forth. So yeah, I absolutely love these sweatpants, and I think this is the back. So let me go ahead and turn around to the front. So I definitely had it on the back. Oopsie. Alright, so front, I mean, pretty much just looks just like the back. It's just, the back and the front. Still got your pockets. Just that the string is up here, not where it was. And normally sometimes I'll let the string hang, or sometimes I'll, put the string inside. I wear these sweatpants with sneakers, slides. That's pretty much it. I haven't worn them with like heels or anything. Yeah, but mostly sneakers, mostly slides, lounging around the house, go to the store with these. Go do my active duties, airport traveling, like through car, quick runs. I even wear sweatpants sometimes, like when I'm with my friends, to the movies, because we're sitting down for an hour or two, so I want to be nice and comfy. And yeah, out to eat, like you just can never go wrong with sweatpants. But you can dress sweatpants up. Like I've seen people that have sweatpants so you can actually put on a heel. Like it will change your outfit completely, But I don't know, I've never tried it. Maybe I should one day, I don't know, but it's nice. But I just normally rock with a pair of kicks and slides and I'm out the door. Yeah, with the heels though, it looks good too. You know what I'm saying? It changes the I don't know, how can I explain? It looks comfy, but it looks like an elegant, not really, well, how can I put it? It just put a little pizzazz to it. Let me just say, to make it a little fancy, I guess. Not necessarily bougie, but just a little fancy. It could be fancy with a pair of kicks too. But just that girly girl type style. I hope I'm making sense. But anyway, yeah, these are super, super comfy. Like you can wear these in the winter. They're lightweight too to me, so you can wear these in the summertime. It's not like that thick, heavy sweatpants material, because I definitely have those, and I'm like, I cannot wear those in the summertime. It just no. But summer, And it gets pretty hot where I'm at. Like, it gets, I don't know, it's like 90 something now. But I mean, these pants they're good. I mean, they're lightweight. And then in the winter, what I normally do is sometimes I wear leggings and then I wear my sweatpants in case I'm like really cold. And so it's just overall good quality, just comfy. It lasts a while. The quality is just, well, I just said that, but anyway, it does last a while. Fading, I haven't seen any fading, none. So, and plus, like, you know, you keep it up and everything else too. It lasts a while. And then they have different colors too. I used to have a gray pair and a blue pair. Two grays, like a lighter gray and a darker gray, and then a dark blue, like a navy blue, and then I had a black, two black pairs, but I don't know what happened to those. Throw up my hands, I don't know, but anyway, so yeah, so these are the Fruit of Loom sweatpants, fleece sweatpants, men's, medium.